right? Like you're basically never working on a team that's large enough where you're going to say, well, all I do is develop models and that's it. Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, I just develop models, period. Don't ask me to do anything else. I'm just a model developer. Like there's no teams out there that are doing that because they're so small, right? Like you won't have that ability to do that. Or, or just to be somebody who deploys models, right? All I do is deploy models every single day. That's not realistic. The teams are just not that segmented. It just doesn't happen that way, right? So don't get too caught up in the in the stuff you hear by the YouTube influencers and things like that. Because if somebody is out there telling me that, then they're telling me that they've never actually worked on a data science team. Because in the real world, the teams are small. You're going to be asked to be flexible. You're going to be using a variety of skills on an everyday basis. But yeah, so I encourage you to try to not get too caught up in that. Okay.